Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about the work from home life and finding the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that so you never miss out. As always, the links to everything I share are in the YouTube description box below, and it's always welcome for you to comment down below and leave anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. Even if I'm not responding, I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. We will not waste any more time. The company Alorica, they are hiring a work-at-home computer hardware technical support. Now, this job actually does not require any experience. They are going to train you, and for a job that requires no experience, they are paying $20 an hour. So this is computer technical support. Their mission is to offer customer support through different channels like phone, email, online chat, and social media to customers who have questions, concerns, or confusion around a particular product or service. You will literally be the voice of the brand and help build those strong relationships and client loyalty to the brand. So you will be basically talking to customers over the phone, email, online chat, all the things. You'll maintain and update customer information when needed. You'll calmly attempt to resolve and de-escalate any issues. You'll respond to requests for assistance and possible processing of credit card authorizations. You'll track call-related information for reporting purposes. And of course, you'll provide any feedback and reports on call issues to your upper management. Now, on top of the $20 an hour, they offer paid training, flexible training schedules. They do offer benefits including medical and dental, paid time off, and 401k retirement plans. So if that sounds like something for you, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. It says customer service experience is a plus, but it is not required. Phone-related customer service is a major plus, but it is not required. So no experience is actually required. You do have to have the high school diploma. You need to be able to work Microsoft Windows, Word, Excel, computer applications, know your way around a computer. You need to have good customer service skills. You need to have the ability to use a phone and a computer. In today's world of all these smartphones, I think all of us meet that criteria. You have to have good written communication skills as well as oral communication skills. You have to be a strong listener and the ability to stay composed and objective. You can't be getting hot-headed and mad. You will be dealing with patients who are calling in who are already upset. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.